Hey guys, got the Stihl MS271 Farm Boss, and it needs a new chain stop on it. The chain has come off a couple times on me, and then what has happened is this aluminum piece here is obviously deformed and wrecked and no longer good, no longer useful or effective. So what happens is when the chain comes off, it'll stop it or catch it. And it's aluminum and this is steel, so this gives, but at least it comes up from hitting you. And so what we're gonna do is what I've done here too, I'm gonna go ahead and replace that. Here's the new piece for it. And the guy at the Stihl shop called this a Chainstop. So if you guys call it something different, let me know. That's what he told me this thing was. I've never replaced one before, but what I've done too is this star pattern inside here, just cleaned it out with a paper clip. That way I can get this star pattern wrench here down in there and loosen it up. This thing was pretty cheap too as far as the replacement part goes. Let's get this thing loose. It looks like this is going to come off without having to remove any other pieces. Again, I hadn't done this before, so I wasn't sure how simple or how hard it's going to be, but knock on wood, so far it's looking pretty easy. I think it's just this one screw here. Pop that out of there, and I'll clean all that out of there probably too before I put it back together. So here's that old one. There's the new one.